Assalamu alaikum guys. Hope you are doing well. So I'm also again present all of you uh, to take one topic in front of you, very important topic. But first of all, going to the topic detail, I'm just want to thank all of you to support me on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Insta. Hopefully you are supporting me in on the regular basis on my every video, every post. So now move to the our main topic. Basically, we are discussing about the main topic, the cable thermal assessment. So I have just explained in the detail. So we now move on to our main topic.
Our topic is regarding the thermal assessment of the cables. Uh, when we are doing the cable sizing, the thermal assessment is very important topic because as per the derating factors, we will analyze that our cable size will be there. As per the voltage drop, we will uh, meet the criteria. But the main factor remain unclear that the thermal assessment of the cables will be satisfying or not because the international consultant of the owner will not accept the cable sizing without the thermal assessment. So there are the multiple software used for that thermal assessment, but one of the most usable software is the SimCAP software, in which we can do the thermal assessment for the overground cables in the air, like in the cable tray and clip to the wall, any other options. In the water, in backfill, direct buried cables, in the conduits, different method we can use to simulate the cables for the thermal assessment of the cables. So I have just prepared a one small project in which I have designed the 300 cables, uh, LVAC cables in place in the patching options in the cable tray. And we have applied the maximum output current of the inverter, and we will see what is the impact on our uh, the cables. So now you can say that up to the 90-degree centigrade, because the cables, XLP cables has the maximum capacity of the 90-degree centigrade, they will bear the 367 ampere current. But if you can do for the our inverter, so our inverter give current is 254 ampere current, and so that's why the cables are satisfying that criteria. But the issue is that as per the IC 60364-4-43, one class, they will mention that our cable will be satisfying at the fuse rating. So in our case, our fuse rating is 350 ampere. So the consultant has raised the concern that we will meet that criteria also. So that's why we have used the 300 cables, three core LVAC cables. So I think you should understand that point, and you have any query in that options, you can ask me in the comments box. Now move on to the our next topic.
You have seen that I have explained the thermal assessment impact, the temperature, the current value uh, in the detail. So if you are lagging in this thermal assessment or any other detail of the cable sizings, PVSyst, SketchUp, or AutoCAD or any other issue in the solar designing. I have just prepared a one master class solar design course for just 4 weeks on the regular basis, 5 days, 5 classes. So total 20 classes, one hours live class from 3 November to 28 November. Fees is just optimal 20K for the Pakistani students and 70 USD for the international students. And if you want to learn these important topics, you should join my paid course. And if you have any query, you can directly contact me on my contact number, which is showing on the screen. Hopefully, you will join my course, which is just 7 days remaining to start the course. And kindly subscribe my channels if you like the video. Share to your friends and family which one want to join the course. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.